All right. What's up, my cat? Let's see. My model's messed up. What's going on with that? I gotta scroll down a bit. Hello. Okay, I think that's all right. All right. Welcome to the Imogen stream number 64, I think. Today is Friday, so last day of the week for me, presumably. I mean, I guess if I go on later in the week, I mean, that could happen. But yeah, welcome. Yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it, I suppose. Actually, wait, one thing really quick. I think my camera's off on my... Not this one, the VTuber. I'll show my settings again for the studio. Yeah, it's a bit off. I gotta remember to like bring it down a bit. Maybe up, actually. There, that this one's funny, I don't know. Alright, let me get my stuff back. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Where I start, I'm going off the rails again. So yeah, if you watched last stream or you watched the last video, you would have noticed that I'm basically done with the particle system. I did some benchmarks on the particles and it wasn't great. I'm not gonna lie, but I didn't really anticipate the performance to be the best. I will do a profile on the performance. I believe right after I finish Pong, do a quick profile and see if I can deal with some low-hanging fruit. But for my needs, it works. Particle system's doing all right. So yeah, looking good. So yesterday I got many of the features that I wanted into the particle system done, such as being able to add in gravity, gravity acceleration with that, and timers for the different emitters, so that the emitters have like lifetimes and whatnot, and you can make them immortal or have them have a fixed time lifetime depending on your needs, right? I even changed it though so that the emitter follows an entity depending on if it has a parent entity, right, or not, right? So that's cool. Movement type. Oh, you know what? One thing I do remember, I don't use that one enum for checking the movement type, so maybe I should get that working. You probably don't know what I'm talking about specifically, but I just thought of something. Okay, but yeah, I also made it so that you can spawn particles within a bounding box rather than just at a point, so that's really cool. Yeah, so a good number of features were added yesterday that I really wanted to get in, so that was really cool. And of course, there's a bunch of features I can add, like adding textures to the particles, adding like multiple textures and then like randomizing them, maybe adding better initial velocity calculations and whatnot. But I think for now it's fine. Like it's fine. It's not a huge issue right now. So yeah, I think today I just have a few specific things I want to get done, and some of them are kind of new. Some of them are just kind of like little ripe things that pertain to the engine in general, not just the particle system, but they are like adjacent, I suppose. And yeah, I want to get those things working, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Alright, so let's check the progress board really quick. So particle system, hopefully we can finish this today, and then we'll come back and then we'll maybe next week we'll come back and try to finish out this text rendering. I was close to being done with text rendering when I had to take a break, so hopefully I can come back with like a fresh mind and just get it done, right? So yeah, let me head over to my little area where I've been saving all my like things I've been doing right now, my little text document. Let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I just deleted that old file I was using. So add offsets, technically this is fine. Emitter location, this is done. Shapes, kind of for the most part. If I want to add spheres, I gotta think about that. But I'm gonna call this done because I'm not gonna come back to that right now. Specify kind of with gravity. I mean, not really, but I'll give it 1 because like I can't specify the direction, just not the velocity in per se. But yeah, the gravity is done, so that's cool. So yeah, I can go ahead and erase these. This is good. So I still need to do this. This actually isn't going to be that bad, to be honest. And since this isn't too bad, I'm going to lump this together and I'm going to add 2 more things I want to get done really quick. And this first one I'm going to get done early is add a color picker, or add proper color picker for the edit Vec 4 RGBA option. Yeah, so I want to be able to like open up a color picker as an option for that. I think that would be really cool. And kind of necessary, to be honest, because it's kind of annoying having to like guess colors. ImGui provides a color picker, so like why wouldn't I use it, you know? The other thing, which seems kind of random, and I mean, admittedly, actually, yeah, it is pretty random, but I'll do this after. I'm gonna like edit the clear color for scene. I know, kind of random, but it's a really easy add, and it's something that I've been wanting for a while, and it shouldn't take too long. Like, it's an easy add. So basically the background color has always been black, so I want to be able to actually specify that. That'd be nice, right? Actually, no, actually, you know what, I just realized this is actually going to be a little bit of work that I might want to come back and do. So actually, I'm not going to do it. I just thought about it. If I want to get that to work and I want it to look proper inside of my engine, I'm probably going to have to add some new nodes to my like base scene graph deal, right? And when you enter into the main window, you look on the left side, you have that scene graph with all the entities and all their components, right? To make that look good, I probably have to add like a parent, like a beginning parent node that has a scene. You can click on that and then you can see all the scene options, right? Which I do want to add, but that's going to be a decent amount of work, so I think I'm going to wait on that for a bit, because I think the panel for that is that scene graph panel along with its properties is like 3,000 lines of code, so that's going to need like a dedicated time where I'm going to go in and clean that. So never mind. But yeah, I guess that reduces the workload for me today. So just these 2. So fairly simple. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to integrate the color picker, so that's probably going to be the hardest part of this. But the script should be fairly straightforward. So let's get started without me yapping along. Okay, so let's go ahead and run and see where we're at currently, and then I can kind of show you. Maybe we can look at what my desired effect is going to be first before I start coding. All right. So one thing that was bugging me, right? Let's try the floor emitter, which was, I think I was messing with today. Yeah, it's like lagging because I'm spawning 1,000 particles at once. So I need like a good CPU thing for this, or a good GPU thing for this. Yeah, so let's bring this back down to 1,000. Maybe even 500 to be honest. And then we'll spawn 5. Right, and then let's get this. Let me come back for a second. That would be kind of cool though if the camera follows the bounds of the box, maybe kind of like how I have it in the editor for the entities. I might do that so it automatically scales. Yeah, that'd be cool. Okay, let's change the bounding box again. So also this bounding box visualization is not amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's not use gravity. Alright, let's reset the camera. Alright, there we go. Okay. Is it Z fighting? It is Z fighting. I have an easy fix for that. Let's just go in the Z direction, do 0.01. There we go. No more Z fighting, I think. Yeah, I mean, if there is Z fighting, it's very minimal. Alright, cool. Let me think. Alright, so basically what I want, right, is this is RGBA, right? So red, green, blue, alpha. I specify that as a flag, right? So what I want is when you have this option, I want you to click here, edit, and then it should pop up like a menu, right? Like a tooltip, kind of like how I have for my other options. And then in that tooltip, you should have an option for open color picker for it, or just edit directly, right? Also, I might want to do like a 0 to 255 thing here as well, but that's optional. I'll see if I feel like doing that. But the main thing, I want to click this, have a tooltip open, right? And then in the tooltip, I can click open color picker, and they should open up like a color picker little window right here in the tooltip, and they should be able to like specify a color real quick and then confirm. So I think the first thing we can do is just maybe go to the regular ImGui panel, and let's go to my little testing window. I'll clear some. So I just put random stuff in here, by the way. I don't know if anyone's watched for a long time. You can see I've had this for a while, but yeah, I do like random stuff in here. So I'm gonna try out color picker here and just see what ImGui offers. Actually, let me go check out the demo window really quick. Let's see what ImGui's got going on. Okay, widgets. It's kind of cool. I think maybe this actually, but this is a window though. Maybe I can put it inside of a I don't know, like a, yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll see. If you click away, it goes away. My color, so that opens up like a tooltip. You can see all the color values and the number values as well. Also the hex code. That's cool. Yeah, these are kind of cool. I like this. Yeah, I see that these are inline. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take a look at this. I specifically want to see like how they did this in particular. I don't know if I can get this in a way where I can just click a button and then see it. Nice, which will be used for the tooltip at the top. you can pass a non-empty label, which we use for the tooltip and picker pop-up. Okay, that's interesting. I think my phone needs to be charged really quick. Let's see. Yeah, so I guess yeah, this is like a typical color picker, which I got rid of the backgrounds because of like the way my ImGui works. Yeah, and it opens up this little pop-up. That's cool. With an amazing palette. Wow. Okay, cool. Maybe, yeah, maybe I can do it in the... Okay, let's go check out this section of the code really quick. I'm gonna pull this off to the side. Yeah, maybe we can do something. Let's see. I mean, do your thing, DJ Vibes. Do what you gotta do. I mean, if you're stalking, I appreciate you coming by. I don't know if that's healthy though, man. Oh, for sure, for sure. Wait, so did I just pop up and I just started talking? It's kind of... Yeah, it's kind of freaky. I feel that. Who's this person talking randomly? Source engine? Like, Steam? Nah. I've never used that. I mean, I played some Steam games. Or I mean, some Source games for sure. Did they open source that or no? Why the fuck does NetGraph take 20 FPS to show your FPS? 20 FPS to show your FPS. That's a that's a lot. That's a lot of them. NetGraph. What is NetGraph? Oh. Is this like an in-game visualization or is it just in the engine? Okay, so your FPS, you're paying let's look at the lerp. Lerp in milliseconds? Maybe I don't have enough experience in network programming to know all these things. I just know ping. NetGraph, so that's kind of cool. Decline anyone who applies for Insider, even if they do it for free. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, probably. Don't they keep their teams pretty small for those things? I don't know what Insider is, by the way. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Kind of a cool visualization though, but 20 FPS is kind of crazy. Let me see. What's the demo window? Oh, I can do this. Hold on. ImGui show demo window. I think I use it here, yeah? Where is my thing? And then, wait, it's gonna be kind of hard to find, isn't it? Let me go open this up again and take a look. Is it, is Source Engine 2, is that released? Like that's out, right? Like how long has that been out for? Because they've made a few games, but they haven't made like a ton of standout games for they, right? Oh, CS2. Okay. Counter-Strike 2. Yeah, CS:GO sounds like that's kind of a cooler name, to be honest. It's kind of how like what is it? Xbox kind of missed the mark when they had Xbox 360. They should just went with 720. That would have been sick. But I guess it would have been too on the nose for them, the marketing people. I don't know. That's annoying though. Okay, yeah, so I was checking ImGui demo. Color picker. Okay, so it's called color picker slash widgets. Let me see if I can find that. Also, this music's kind of loud. Hold up. Let me see if I can find this really quick. Color. Wait, what did I call this? Color slash picker space widgets. Picker space widgets. Here we go. Here we go. So let me go ahead and check this. The physics of the Molotov. I mean, if it was hyped, it was hyped. I didn't really play. I think I've only played like. I played Half-Life a little bit. Of course, I've played. What is that one? The one where Portal and Portal 2. Does Dota use the Source engine? I don't know. Or is that like a separate thing? I don't know. I think that's my extent with Source games, though. I think I played a little bit of CS:GO, but I got kind of bored. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I played a little bit of Team Fortress, though, but like a little bit. It was like a long time ago. But I do remember the memes before. My friends used to partake like crazy, though. Color button, color picker, huh? Okay, wait, I'm just trying to find this like color picker option. Like right now, what I'm trying to do. So I added this like particle system, right? By the way, I didn't save it. Yeah, it's kind of lagging because I was trying to stress test it. Maybe I should save it so it's not doing this. Well, I'll come back and do GPU stuff, and maybe I'll speed it up a bit. It is 0. I guess put it there, and then gravity will turn off gravity. Okay. Literally all I'm doing. I don't mind Z fighting. It's just because I'm spawning them all on the same Z axis. How do I say? Yeah, I want to be able to specify colors better. Like I want to be able to like click here and then get like a color picker, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. Because doing this like this is kind of ridiculous. But yeah. Does it max out at 1? It does. Good. Speaking of games, see if these has such an awesome. If you do much as park your boat in the wrong spot, and things are identifying as the car, from parent decides it wants to fly across the map. First, Valve uses source word thing, and I mean, yeah, that's fair. But I mean, they don't really go crazy with making games nowadays, do they? How is Counter-Strike 2 though? Like, other than like, is it fun? Have you played it? Gameplay loop wise and whatnot. Is it kind of the same thing? Released 2023, huh? It has good reviews on Steam, but that's kind of I mean, it's Steam. It's Steam, so a little bit of conflict of interest. I don't know. I'm just looking at the Steam page really quick. Said you're proud of that? I don't know. I mean, to each their own, my man. To each their own. I mean, yeah, I've never really cared about like running like high graphics stuff anyways, to be honest. I just like to make sure that it can run development stuff, that's about it. Okay, so let's check out this thing. I still don't know how I'm gonna do this, honestly. Wait, there's my demo window. Alright, let's close this. Okay, so I don't know if we're splitting this into sections, like we have color picker and then drag slider, right? Color widgets, color button with picker. So is this like a whole thing, or can I just, wait, let me see. Color edit with picker. Okay, so what's up with this? So like color edit. Or, right? No inputs, no label, misc flags. What's up with the misc flags? HDR. Oh, you can do HDR in here? What the? Drag drop, no drag drop, alpha preview half. Okay. Sure. Display HSV. Float. No input, no label. Convert color, okay. Color button, my picker. My custom color picker with amazing palette. Wow. We. Okay, so maybe I can toss like a color picker into a, how do I say? Maybe I can toss a color picker into, like a tooltip in Color Day? I don't know. This is a pop-up though, so yeah, I don't know. Also doesn't have TPM 2.0 support, so I physically can't run the kernel anti-cheat from Valorant. Yeah, they can't get kernel access. Maybe that's a good thing. Anti-cheat having access to your kernel level operations is kind of wild in the first place. I get why, but scary. Custom color picker current. So what's up with this? Current previous. What is this? So my custom color picker. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, okay. So it shows the color option as an image, and that shows all the values. That's cool. Oh, maybe I don't know. Let me see something. You know, I would like maybe like a little visualization of the color. That would be cool. If I put it on this side though, I feel like that would mess up the flow with this. If I put it here, Maybe right here? Like in this little space right here? But then that would mess up like this whole thing I got going on. I could put it here, but then I'll start messing up like my little flow I got going on with this thing. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, for sure, for sure. Get your call, man. Let's see. Yeah, so I don't know if I should be... Should I put it right here? I suppose I could make like a special rule for this and then maybe put the color like right here. No, that messes up the flow though, because then it messes up this whole like straight line thing I got going on, which is really clean. Okay, well, you know what? I mean, these values, if we're assuming that we're doing a color picker, these values are never going to get too big, to be honest. Like, this is... So if I extend it out just a bit, I can probably maybe add like a 5th spacing, and then maybe add the thing just right here, maybe. But I gotta recalculate some of my spacing options, and then just put it right here. The nice thing though is once I add this feature for the color picker, it's going to be available everywhere. Everywhere I have a color picker, it's going to be the same thing. So that's the one good thing about this UI stuff. And that's why I'm being so like extra about like extra specific about it being like perfect, because I want it to be perfect everywhere, and then like I won't have any issues going forward. Okay. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I just gotta think of what's the correct order to do this to make sure everything works. Okay, I think I know. So what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna start not this custom color picker stuff. I want, where is it? So color edit, color button. Okay, what is, and this whole references the same color, which is what? This one right here. It's static, so we can modify it, sure, yeah. HDR, which is always good. Thank you, ImGui. I appreciate that. So if I wanted to add that, I just one click to change it. Okay, So, let's go with the simplest option. We're gonna yoink this one along with these flags right here, right? And then drag drop. Yeah, I don't care about drag drop. HDR is always cool. Alpha preview half. Alpha preview. Actually, let me see what these do really quick. Let me open up the engine and just take a look again. I'm not sure. Got token logged in, gonna lose my. And of course, I believe you got it. Token logged? Or is it? So, what's the IT term for that? Script kiddie? The ones who just download a software and start running it? Skids. That's crazy. Crazy acronym for that. Let's see, widget. Okay, let me see if I can find this color picker. So, okay, so this shows the alpha preview. Yeah, you know, I don't think I care about that. Half alpha. Half alpha is cool. Drag and drop. What's up with the drag and drop though? Like, oh, you can drag and drop colors to other colors. Now that's cool. That's a cool. I might leave that actually. Where's the options menu? Whoa. Okay, yeah, I don't care about all this honestly. What about this? Yeah, there's no options for this. That's fine. So with options menu, yeah, no. Maybe the half alpha would be cool. I don't know. The half alpha and the drag drop, I might keep that. We also call my people skids. It's a good term for that too. I hope I just sent everyone his damn list of priest. Oh my. Steam cards. Everyone's gonna get logged or whatever. Is it? Is it always the British kids? I don't know. That's unfortunate. Did my music stop? All I know, it's always those like the British people doing those voiceovers on YouTube. That's all I know. I guess they're trying to get money other ways. I don't know. With HDR question mark? Lift the on dragging. Oh, look, you can just go higher. Oh, I got you. Okay. Yeah, no HDR. I don't care about that right now. Let's see. I'm wondering if I want to make my own one of these palettes though. The color palette here is kind of cool. I kind of like that. Yeah, I might just grab this bit by itself without any of these numbers or anything. What about this part? Yeah, because we have a custom color picker here. Let me see if I can break this apart a bit. So where is this custom color picker? Also, ImGui color edit flags. Let's go find these. There's a ton of these. Holy crap. Display HSV. Yeah, I don't want to display any of this, honestly. Okay, let's try this out. I wanna see how this is gonna look. So where's that bit of code I was working with? So I was gonna copy this. Okay, let's get rid of this now. This isn't a thing anymore. I'm gonna demo marker. Let's go to testing panel. And we're gonna try it out. So all I really have to do for testing panel is real quick, I just want to write this in. What is this? I don't even want to look at it. Let's close. ImGui. I think just paste it here. HDR. I don't want HDR. I don't care about that right now. Drag and drop. I do want drag and drop. Half preview. I do want half preview. It's doing like ternaries and whatnot. And this is like no options, so let's not do that. So it's just half preview. And no label and no inputs. Sure. Okay, and then let's just do a static color. I'm assuming, what is this again? The float pointer for vec4. I gotta see. Which, by the way, I found an awesome tool that scans websites. Does a who is report and checks what it's being hosted with and write an email to the providers to take it down. Fish report. Let's see. It looks like look at their what is it called? Their domain reputation too. Go here, Google fish report. What? So my Google Bing blocked. That's annoying. I gotta redo my VPN really quick. Pop-up is open. Okay, let me see. Okay, there we go. Fish report. I'm just taking a look at that site. You put. Oh yeah, HTTPS fish report. Tools your team need to combat brand impersonation. Usually the same capabilities as leading brand protection services and guides you through the takedown, hosting provider analysis. Website design. Takedown. Okay. Yeah, this is a good like automatic thing. So, oh, okay. So, like, they just provide this. You can provide like a website, like Google.com. I'm doing it off screen, by the way, but okay. Then this is hosted by this provider. Domain register, yeah, and then you get the domain reputation for this one. And then if it detects like issues when you search it, then they'll send a report. That's pretty cool. Right. Okay, okay. Oh, and even like this is like how do you want it to like be presented when you open the thing? Because they do it on their back end. That's cool. Actually, yeah, this is a good phishing. And I'm assuming it checks like the mail servers too, right? Associated with that domain. And it sees like what their reputation is sending out like phishing emails and whatnot. Let's see, stream links, engine links. Let me try let's do stream links. Yeah, I'll save this one. I'm gonna take a little later. Solo. Really quick. What is the demo window.cpp? Just trying to. Oh, okay. I'm using ImVec 4. Okay, so I'll just use an ImVec 4 here. Sure. Color is this, and then it presents this. Okay, and then I can just mess with the flags until I get something that I like. So let's go ahead and run that. I just sent you a phishing link. Oh god. Or a domain that's messed up. Yeah, that's scary. Yeah, I gotta make sure not to click this link. Right. The phrasing in this link is just crazy, to be honest. Yeah. Subscribe to ripe abuse swan.sk. That's the hosting provider. What? Yeah. Yeah, that's wild. The Steam page on with the Steam cards. Jeez. Oh no, I know. Like VPNs are just kind of like, especially with the marketing, everyone marketed VPNs as like protection when it's really not. It's just rerouting your traffic. I mean, amongst other things they do, but yeah, it's not security. Okay, wait, let me check. So let's check this testing window. Cool. All right, so let me see if I can get rid of some. I don't want all this. Current and original. Current and original is kind of cool. But low-key don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. Can it be disabled on Chrome? No, I don't know. I've never looked into it on the settings. And web RTC be disabled on Chrome. No, Firefox can do it, right? You need to install an extension such as you have to install an extension to disable WebRTC. Wow. Okay, wait, what does no inputs do? Let's see. So color edit, color picker, disable input sliders and text widgets. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so none, no alpha. There's a lot of options here. Okay. Display mask. Okay. Default options, ImGui color, edit flags, display RGB, display input RGB, and then hue bar. no options, no picker. I'm trying to see if I can configure the picker so that it doesn't show some of these extra options, because they're kind of messy for like my UI, not gonna lie. I mean, if I can't do it through here, I guess I'll just go and I guess I'll just mess with the ImGui code. I mean, it's not preferable, but I might have to do it. We knew this, but there's captures are literally being used to train AI instead of the website. That's why it turns out is getting. Oh, I bias Firefox with all my life, and I have every right to do so. Yeah, I mean, and there's a lot of like variants of Firefox, or I forget the base system, what they call it for Firefox, but I guess it's just called Firefox, right? I don't know. It's Chromium for Chrome, right? Being trained on AI. Wasn't there a whole thing where like CAPTCHA is just like the whole thing that CAPTCHA does is just record how you like move your mouse, and that's it. They don't even really care like about your responses in some cases. But maybe they changed that because maybe the AI got too good at doing that. Yeah, I'm sure if there's anything scummy companies can do with AI, I'm sure they're already doing it, to be honest. I mean, they spent like how much money investing in AI? They're like, yeah, we need to get our returns any means necessary for the stakeholders. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, companies will do what they do, I guess. The main interest is money, so. Even more, it feels less weird to use it. Oh, the Steam. It's based on Firefox. They check your browser to see if it's human-like. Human-like browser history. Yeah. Drag drop target, no side preview. Half preview HDR. Disable RGB, disable HSV, and disable hex. Or display hex. And then uint, right, which is just the number, and the float variant. Okay, so yeah, I think there's no way to modify the color picker, which is really annoying. Yeah, it's really annoying. All right, well, let's go check. I'm gonna go look at the code then and go start yoinking code out of the dependency. Someone's gotta do it. We need AI for this, for the future. Oh. What the hell happened to my voice? For 3D models, nothing. I don't have an abstraction for 3D models right now. But so okay, the main issue, right, is I don't know if I showed you at some point. I did have a renderer that did have 3D models, and I was using what was that? I think I still list the dependency. Do I? Where is it? Hold on. And for that dependency where I was loading 3D models, you could load in OBJ files, and I think, what was the other one? Was it FBX? Was that the other one? That one's pretty good at loading in like general models. I can't remember the name of the other format that I was able to load in. But where is it? Okay, I guess I removed it from the dependencies. But I think learn OpenGL is where they... Oh, async. Async. Yeah, async. Yeah, I mean, I think ASIMP supports a lot of import file types. Yeah, they support like quite a bit, to be honest. So this is what I'm gonna like end up using. And then of course there's parsing the data. The main thing, the issue I was having was that when I created that initial system, I kind of just threw it in, and it didn't really have a lot of what is the word? A lot of like support around it. I got to figure out how that whole OBJ thing is going to work in this scene graph thing, if that makes sense. Yeah. I don't know if I want to open it and then it displays the entire like node hierarchy of the, like the OBJ file, or if I want to have like a dedicated editor for it, I might just do that, I guess, so I can have like static versus like dynamic meshes and whatnot. But yeah, I just haven't agreed how it's supposed to look yet. What's the file type for Blender? Is it FBX? Google, let's see. Blender file type. Export. Yeah, just what's their file type? What's their base file type? Okay, so they have a .blend file? Right. Well, it seems like most people deal with like FBX. That's like the main one everyone goes with, and OBJ, that's the next one. I'm just looking at the AI response. I guess I'm trusting that. I don't know, but yeah, I mean, I trust that it's like .blend and then FBX is the next one, right? Does this support blend files? Oh, it's deprecated, huh? Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, it's undocumented, so you'd have to like go in and like, yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, and plus you could just use like a one of these. Also, I mean, I plan on adding like my own editor for modifying objects, and I'm gonna keep it like fairly simple for my first games, so just so I don't have to like exporting and stuff. They'll put my stream avatar there. I didn't give permission. What the? Yeah, I think that was me. What is it? I think it places it there if you start talking. Yeah, so. Yeah. Well, oh, what is it called? It'll be fun. I'm gonna be if we go into court, I'm gonna be representing myself too. That's gonna be fun. Your Honor, I'm not guilty. Why? I don't know. Trust. let's say. No label alpha preview half. Okay, alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of this stuff myself. So let me see how that works. So if we're not showing a slider, there's no point in doing HSV conversion. Sure, for Mr. O'Cornet, yeah. Convert to the formats we need. So this would be like the automatic conversions, right? Sure. And then if we're doing display one of these, then I'm assuming this is the display input section, which I don't care about. And then also that I don't care about. Color picker active is equal to null, and then if color button, where is the place where it displays though? Convert back, drag drop target. Okay, I think we're not there yet. Drag drop target. I don't know. Yeah, I guess at that point that'd probably be like a class action, right? I want damages for every stream. Which, I mean, to be honest, like, yeah, that sounds like a court case, to be honest. You have to like apply for like a class action lawsuit, right? Like if you want to like get the money, or do they just send you a check in the mail saying, hey, you were, here's your $5 for being wronged. All preview. Direction left. Is it here? Color edit options pop up. Oh, okay. So it's this. Wait, radio button. No. This is the radio button for. No, this one's garbage. Never mind. Color edit options pop up. Wait, is there another pop up in here? Let me see. Let's search for pop up. Let's scroll down for a second. Let's see. I'll open this back up too. Open pop-up on item click. Open pop-up picker. Oh, this is the picker. Okay, sure, yeah. Picker. Data type mask, alpha bar, input mask, edit flags, HDR. Yes, I did. But like, I do not even know how to apply for scissors. I mean, I don't know either. So, I don't know. CBO, and no. I mean, I feel like most what is it, like Americans specifically who, what is it? I feel like the people who come in for citizenship and have to like prove that they know like the Constitution and like American history know more about it than regular Americans. I mean, I guess unless you took like a history degree or something. Oh, the road laws in Germany. Ah. Oh yeah, I remember you. And then I remember you were talking to that guy that one day with the he was in Hungary. Yeah. Oh yeah, well that's a whole different legal system then. I don't know. I got no clue, man. I am even more ignorant. Access 3 floats. What is this? What is this? Color picker RGB, right? Picker hue bar? Picker hue wheel. Okay. Picker hue wheel, huh? Wait, can I get rid of this flag? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, maybe. You never know how it goes, right? Okay. This dude's doing a mem copy right in the middle. I feel you. Picker hue bar, huh? Are these mutually exclusive? I don't know. It's the flags, I'm assuming not. Yeah. Side preview. No label. So everything here is in an if statement. Is there anything that's not in an if statement? Input RGB. Input HSV, right? No inputs. Wait, so is this the pop-up or not? I'm so confused. Like, color picker 4. Hold on, let me go back. I think this is just the regular color picker, actually. I don't know, this thing really got me so confused. I mean, I guess maybe I can log some stuff and find out. Setup, saturation. Hue is lost, okay. Hue wheel plus... No, but this is the hue wheel. This is the picker hue wheel. So no, this is the pop-up. This is definitely the pop-up. Let me go back to the initial thing. Yeah, begin pop-up. So, okay, so one way I can confirm that, I guess, is if you begin pop-up picker, color button picker, if you click it, it opens up this picker. So then if I comment this out, or if I do like a hash if 0, yeah, I'm just making sure I get this in, hash end if I run this, that means if I click it, it won't pop up anything. Then I know I'm in the right place. Should add a hooray sound effect every time they run something without getting an error. I did my voice crack earlier? Oh shoot. I don't know, I'm too old to be worrying about, oh my god, my voice cracked. What am I, 12? Fine. Let's see. Yeah, if it cracks, it cracks, you know? But I should get some water soon, though. A hooray sound does sound kind of fire, though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so that's definitely the pop-up. Cool. Alright, so at least I'm in the right spot. At least 10, man. I don't know, is that how that comes off? I suppose so. Let's see. I don't know. I guess maybe when you're in your like 30s, you just feel like, oh, I gotta hurry. I gotta get this stuff done because time's moving, right? I can't attest to being in your 40s or 50s, but yeah, it's gonna be a different experience, right? Right. Yeah, I'm gonna see. I want to get this done really quick, and then I think I usually take a break after I want to at least like get the color picker looking how I want. You know what I mean? I don't want to let it sit without. I'm in the right place. Let me just see what I can do. Convert RGB to HSV. Okay. Let me just read these comments really quick and see what's going on. So we've got some window stuff. We get the context so we can draw the window with the correct settings, of course, blah blah. Yep, setup. Picking box, huh? I am max. I am color edit flags picker view wheel. So that's the picker view. So if I collapse that, this is the bar. Okay. Alpha bar logic. Then here's a bunch of popping stuff, of course, because we need that for ImGui for everything. Flags. What is this? Side preview. Oh, here's the side preview. Okay, yeah, so... Wait, there's flags for this? No side preview? Okay, so here's the side preview. Sick. And then, of course, we have to convert the stuff because ImGui, being ImGui. I swear I put no inputs, right? Yeah, this is the color edit for the HSV and the hex. That's the one I see at the bottom. This is the one I want to get rid of. So, and there's a flag for it. So why is it still displaying? I don't understand. Try to cancel QWrap item changed. Okay. What is this? Okay, now I'm assuming this is just processing. Shader reverts linear color gradient, keep alpha. Oh, are we shading like the output, I guess? Wait, what is this? Color... Oh, render cursor. And then render SV triangle. So what was that first part then? Time, rotate, contain points, close its... Oh, maybe these are just like initial calculations we need to do. Okay. And then maybe this one, because I'm seeing a lot of rendering code right here. Picker view. Okay. Render alpha bar. And then, of course, just some ending ID stuff in window, blah, 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 how he does that internally. Okay, so everything, it seems like it has a thing. How do I get rid of a flag? I always forget how to do that with bit masks. Because I know or equals... Wait. I can do this. Let's see. I believe in myself, I can do it. So if you have like 1101, right? And then you do like a OR operation, right? With 0100. OR is 1. Right, so if this was like if this was 0 and this was 1 right here, then this would set this to 1. And then they would all be 1. That doesn't look great, but yeah. So that's how the OR operation works. And that's how you flip something on. But if you want to flip something off, I think you have to do like a 1101, and then if you have like 1111, so you flip this because this is the one you want to change. I think you do an and then it's like this changes this. It has to be and, so it's 0 1 1 1. Yeah, so you flip the bit mask and then you and it. That's what it was. X. How do I flip again? I forgot my bit manipulation. How to flip bits. Not individual bits. How do I flip every bit? How to flip all bits. Remember. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. Haven't done that in a while. Okay, so you just do this to it, and then you do an and that will remove the bit. Okay. I have an abstraction over this for my like normal flags. I don't have to worry about this, but ImGui has you do it yourself, so I've got to remember. So I'm going to do an OR operation on the bit mask, and then I'm going to and the flags with the inverted mask. There we go. That's how you do it. Okay. So color wheel. So let me see what I want to get rid of. I'm assuming I want to get rid of this alpha bar. This alpha bar variable, this boolean, I'm assuming is somewhere up here. There's an alpha bar and a no alpha bar. Interesting. Okay, let me render this and then I'll take a look at it again and I'll make sure what I want to get rid of. And then see if it actually works. Let's see. Yeah, wait, why is this not? I could have sworn I saved this. Is it not saving? Maybe I'm not saving it every time. Maybe that's why. Maybe make sure this saves, because that's kind of ridiculous if it's not. Like 500. And then let's put this bounding box back to. I might also add like a reset button for everything. That would be kind of nice. And get rid of the gravity. Okay. Save. Okay, so I changed the upper and lower balance. So let me just go check the file really quick. Okay, yeah, it's updated. So if I close this, like I swore I like squared this away yesterday. Okay, yeah, no, that's working. Cool. Yeah, this happened, but being general air and boarded a plane from Italy, and then some there. They looked like Arabic, so mentioned them like you. They thought terrorists and reported it to the. Oh yeah, he was just like a mathematician, right? Yeah, I think I heard that story somewhere. And everyone was like, "Oh my god, what is he doing?" I wonder what math he was doing too. That looked like crazy. Like imagine he's just doing like some like basic calculus, or like just doing like I don't know, like just some trigonometry. They're like cosines. This man's doing Baum equations. Which I guess I don't know. What would? Yeah, the Baum equations are just like dimensional analysis. Like you just putting together the yeah. No, that's so stupid. That's so stupid. He's writing in an alien language. What is he doing? Get him. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there is like a general vibe of like, or a general like when I was in school, I feel like people didn't take school very seriously back then. Yeah, it's not as rigorous. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't really like get into like really liking to learn until I got to college, and then I had the time to actually like focus and like figure out things and like learn things properly. But in grade school, they just make you take tests and then push you along, and then they don't. I mean, the tests are just like oh, can you do it? Like can you and then the questions don't really like test like your like what is it like critical thinking. They usually just like can you remember what I told you in the book and then regurgitate it back onto the paper. Yeah. He's obviously a terrorist, right? Yeah, no, that's wild. Mm, mm. Trying to think. Okay, yeah. Forgot what was going on for a second. Testing window, and then we're doing this, and then click here. Okay, so let's get rid of this real quick. Let's see if I can get rid of that. I guess maybe I have to specify specifically no certain things to get it to remove. And maybe by default it just has certain things. So let's go check these flags specifically in here that remove things. Such as... Yeah, I don't care about this. Where is it? Alpha bar? Okay, I'm definitely gonna put this one in a second. But I'm trying to find one of the ones that I don't like. Side preview. This, right? What is this render? Yeah, this original thing. So this is something I can definitely see. So I'm gonna get this one and this one. And let's see what goes on. Yeah. All right, let's go back to that testing window. Because yeah, if I don't have to modify ImGui, I won't. Let's get rid of this for a second, and then we'll go with this first. I don't know if the bonds are still up, but I know a guy who I had to help for 2 hours because he was struggling in Golang and couldn't figure out how to not write with 6,000 lines of if statements. Yeah. I mean, I feel like when you first learn branching, you're just like, wow, a whole new world, and you want to throw it everywhere, huh? Golang. Have I used Golang at some point? I don't know if I did. I don't think I've ever used. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used Go. Yeah, does he post his balls on YouTube? I wonder. Bro, what? It's still here. So what's going on when it's doing this? Like, hold on. Now I'm curious. I said no site preview, right? No site preview. Yeah. Okay, so what's going on here? What? If not, as in the inverse of it. So I should get rid of no site preview? Wouldn't no site, like if you have a flag called no site preview, would if you set that as valid, wouldn't that mean you wouldn't draw a site preview? Like, or am I tripping? Like what? Okay, so let me see if I can get rid of that, I guess. Wait, no inputs. No label. I feel like this is just dealing with people's UI libraries in general, though. It's just annoying. Let's see. The learning curve in programming makes no sense either. It can very differ if you use something actually usable instead of nightmare programming languages that Microsoft makes. To be a C++ dev. I mean, Microsoft didn't make C++, right? Or are you referring to like Golang? I mean, Microsoft uses C++, but yeah. Yeah, making sure I got my facts right. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, no. Okay. That was at Bell Towers. That's AT&T Bell Labs, yeah. I mean, I don't know like the full history of it, but I mean, you okay? You wanna go out? Okay, all right. Is it a cat reveal? Yeah, I'll see. I'll see. I don't know. She's getting older. She's like, I think she turns 18 or almost 19. No, she turns 18. I think this year. She getting up there. Yeah, I'll get back to you on that one. I don't even know that the cat doesn't even have a name. It's just called the cat is just called Cat. I think the cat had a name at some point. I think it was Willow? Was it? Yeah, it was Willow. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that was a long time ago. But no one ever says that name, they just say Cat. Actually, yes. I mean, the cat could probably get her driver's license, honestly, by now. Okay, I heard that voice crack. That was wild. Let me get some water really quick. I'll take your advice. Get you to stay out there. She'll be like, Mao, let me in. In about like 2 minutes. Elsa. Yeah, that's part of the aesthetic of the stream, you know. Start tweaking, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it freaks out when my face goes outside of the outside of like the bounding box or whatever. Wait, misc flag. So what? Thing is, these are the flags that are provided, right? When I run this code, right, and I come through here, I'm gonna look for this really quick. Yeah, I think it's or Cornet has a tendency to like you'll provide a flag and then he'll modify the flags inside the function, and then it just gets nullified, which is kind of annoying. I get why in certain circumstances, but it's like a flag should just do the thing it's supposed to do. You know what I mean? But again, I guess this code back here is not meant to be modified by other programmers. But I gotta get it working how I want it to work. This does take me a while to get to like look through his source code. I always kind of get annoyed, or like it is kind of like a process. But it is worth it though, because once I make one change, it's going to apply to the entire engine. So it's not, I think it's worth it. I'll have the color pickers everywhere. Let's see. I mean, I guess it's described coding, right? Oh no. Let's see. You said Discord, you sent something? Let me see. I'm gonna put on my BRB screen really quick. Oh no. I mean, this is a cute cat though. What, damn. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Very good loaf. Very good loaf. You got that like, what is the word? Nice and like toasted color scheme, right? That's cute though. Looks like a marshmallow. Yeah, I would call it marshmallow, like a roasted marshmallow. All the pudding. Yeah, I don't know. Animals are one of those one things that's like they're just. I don't know. There's like a kind of like, especially dogs. It's like a unconditional like pure like happiness. It's like when bad things happen to them. Like damn. Cats kind of don't care about you, but like they also do. I mean, you said yours was like close. Mine just like demands. She's like, let me in. I need my sleeping spot. Let me out. I need my food. But she cares though. I can tell. She's just older now. Yeah. She's been through it a few times. Yeah. Let me see. Paula. No, yeah. Nice and toasted. That's cute though. Is that one good? Have you tried it? Okay, so I'm kind of tempted to just remove the rendering code, honestly. Render alpha bar, like just modify the source code. Because this is kind of inconsistent the way he sets this up with these flags. I could add more flags and then start adding a bunch of like things, but honestly, I'm just getting this working for myself. I don't. Render alpha bar. The only problem with modifying dependencies is I gotta be careful when you update it, so I gotta think about that too. But I think that ship's kind of sailed for me, to be honest, with my dependencies. Convert back to RGB. Okay, so let me find this code. Let me just remove it. Where is it? Is it this? Is this the alpha bar? Wait, where am I? No, it's here. Okay. I canceled and then it like popped me out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do hash if 0 and put a comment removes current / original pop-up. Let's do this for now. I'll put a to do here just so like I can be aware that I changed it, I guess. I don't know. And then RGB HSV slider color editor. Okay, yeah, so I don't want this here. And again, like I put the flags for no input, and then like what is going on? It's really good. Doesn't taste like Red 40 for the least. I mean, I don't know. My cat has had her fun. Like she used to wait, she meowing? I'll let her know. Hey kitty. Meow. Yeah, she used to be very active. She used to run around with all the cats on the street back when we lived in our old house. She'd get into fights, but she was pretty good because she wouldn't get like really hurt or anything. And then I think finally when we moved to our new house, like she finally kind of slowed down and was like, okay, no more of this. This is ridiculous. I'm just gonna stay a house cat. That's good. Let's see. Try to cancel, if any. So value, what is this here? So I can do this. Let's do this. It's right here. Oh, okay. So you just haven't seen her in a while? You don't know, like, what's specifically is going on with her? Or him? Is it a wait, is it a she thing? Paula, she. Yeah, Paula, because of the pudding, right? Yeah. Hopefully she's alright. I think we had her I think she was eating some neighbors like food with all the street cats. The neighbor was like feeding them, and then I think they put her in a pound once because they thought she was a street cat. But she was just like with all the cats, you know what I mean? We had to go get her. She was a little scared too. That was horrible. Picker Hue bar. Okay, so this renders the alpha bar. So I'm gonna do another one. F0. Remove alpha bar. To do. Picker hue bar, picker wheel, RGBA, HSV. Okay, did I remove the other alpha thing? Let me see. This was just a setup for this one. Side preview. Side preview, huh? Okay, gotta be careful with this one too, because I think it might be popping things that are not necessary. What is this? Line render text end. Okay, I might be breaking some stuff. I don't know. Let's see. Really quick, I'm just making sure I'm not. Because if I do the thing correctly, I can break it because of the push and pop that he does. Let's see. Alpha bar. And then probably some of these can get removed as well, but I'm not going to worry about getting into it with that. Okay, so there's a good chance this is broken, but let me just try it. The picker wheel is fine. The hue bar is fine. Draw list. Okay, let's just try this. I don't know. Syntax error. Where's that? Oh, because of this, right? Even stuff in the code, huh? Such a time, she seemed underfed. She seemed underfed, like she was constantly seeking for food. Yeah, maybe she was just a street cat then. Because if she had an owner, that's messed up. But sometimes it'd be like that, I guess. Unfortunate, though. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, because I'm probably pushing something and popping something, and something's like not. Yeah. So let's see. I gotta kind of look at this with a fine-tooth comb now. Okay, let me bring back the alpha bar really quick. I don't even really know what that is, to be honest. And then this gets rid of the original pop-up. Side preview. Okay. And then this gets rid of the HSV slider. Let's just get rid of the current original pop-up first, and then we'll go from there. So doing everything at once. Yeah, the alpha bar will bring it back. Okay. And the only one we're removing is this original pop-up. So let's see if that breaks. She was a baby street cat, but I can care for years. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think my girlfriend had because where she used to live, there's a lot of street cats, and I think she had like 5 or 6 street cats that were kind of hers, but like kind of the neighborhoods she would kind of take care of. I don't know. The whole situation she didn't really describe fully, but yeah, I guess they were just street cats. Okay, cool. Nice. We're snipping blood related to the countries, so I got in for free. Ah, gotcha. Where is Algeria? Let's see. That's next to, oh, Libya, okay, and Morocco. Oh, okay, for sure. What would you say are the main, like, things to see in the country? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 All right, let's see. So, color. All right, so 2 more things. I want to get rid of this hex thing right here. I basically just want to get rid of these 2. Also, this my color thing is probably kind of silly. Well, I can just not type this and it won't display, I believe. That's an easy fix. Yeah, I think it's a bot. There's a bot. Let's see. My color. So let's do... main color picker. I guess I'll give it... Well, no, I can give it a UUID based on the widget we're using. So that's fine. No, Muslim obviously, but first we'll just look around from the outside. There's churches to market. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put it on the list then. I mean, is like a big chunk of the country is like the Sahara Desert, right? Or is it differently named in that place? I got you. I got you. Yeah, maybe it's like Middle America for US. I've driven through like what is it? Was it New Mexico? New Mexico or Arizona? No, Arizona was kind of popular. No, it was New Mexico. New Mexico had one city. Or I mean, I think it has a few cities, but like I remember when we drove through it, I remember we passed one city and then we were out of the state. I was like, yo, what is... It's a big state too. Might feel like that, huh? And it's just desert. Right, right. Like if it's not habitable, then like what's the... Right. What if you can get your like your pockets, right? You can make a city. That makes sense. Particle emitter editor. Okay, wait. Let me see if that got rid of that title thing. Yeah, there we go. Don't know if that looks great though, but well, like, I guess it's kind of uniform. There's some extra spacing on this side, which I don't like. Maybe I can change that. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I think the spacing is because of these. Maybe I can just get rid of these and it'll fix it. Okay, let me see if I can get rid of this, and then I'll see if that's what causing the error. I don't know. Let's go back. Okay, here we go. Yeah, alpha bar. Okay, current and original pop-up, and got rid of that. Okay, let's get rid of these, and then let's see what's going on. This shouldn't be an issue though, because this is self-contained. This is self-contained. I mean, unless we use a boolean somewhere, but that would have caused a compile error. Value changed. I'm assuming value changed is used everywhere, not just there. Yeah. So yeah, these look self-contained. So I don't see any pushes or pops that are not done within the scope. So let's try that. Let's see. Hmm? Hmm. Yeah, churches are pretty. Definitely like, yeah, I love the by the ocean feel. $90 without even having this broken house. Yeah. I mean, you made it though. I guess they take it seriously. Like you got somewhere to go. We gonna get there. I suppose so. Do I want to display these options on hover? I don't know. Okay, so this, okay, cool. This is basically what I want. I might want to get this spacing to fit better, maybe? I don't know how to do that though. Let me go check. Let's see. What is the alpha bar though? Let's get rid of the alpha bar. Let's see what that does. We'll get rid of this one and then let's get rid of this, yeah. Okay, let's get rid of the alpha bar. What's up with this group thing though? Okay, is this where it's gonna crash? I don't know. Let's see. It costs $3,500 in Germany to get a license. Bro, what? Is the public transportation just really good? Is that why it's like more luxury? Okay, so that's definitely causing a crash. I don't know why it's causing a crash, but it's causing a crash. There's probably some assumptions that I'm like getting rid of when I get rid of that code, huh? Because yeah, we're adding some stuff to the draw list. I'm getting a lot of notifications for this. Yeah, mute that. Today. It's my job posting thing. Going crazy. Okay. So pop item flag. Okay, so I guess I'll leave this. I'm not exactly sure what the alphabet is, so maybe that's why I should leave it alone. So yeah, okay, let me see if there's any way I can like mess with the sizing. I'm trying to think if there's anything I can like search for. Anything I can search for. Let's see. Is there nothing we are proud of? So it's just expensive to get around then from where you what you're saying. We're not expensive, but it can be hard unless you have a car and you got to pay for a car, like for a license. It's super expensive to just like get around. Let me see. Said no government can pay for public transportation if you get like a job ticket or you're a student. Wait, what? No government can pay for public transportation. Oh, government can pay for public transportation if you get a job ticket. And you're okay. No, I get what you're saying now. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, if they pay for it, it's not too bad then. But yeah, you just got to get around then. Yeah, I don't know the full context. I don't live there. So. Let's see. If. But I mean, transportation is kind of like a basic like human need, like, you know, if you want to get to your job and back, you know. So yeah, it's good they provide that. Draw list style, g.style, calc item width. No site preview, display store, read options, mask, math, no, I am power 2, okay. Okay, really quick, I'm just trying to figure out this whole window width thing. Is there like a window option here? Cursor position. Okay, so I'm assuming the bounds of the window is being set, how do I say? That is being set by the scale of the widgets automatically. So if I'm doing this in a custom way, maybe I should just specify the bounds myself and just call it a day. Yeah. Minor issue with car kids, just a minor one. Oh my. Oh my, DG vibes, oh my. All right, let's see. That cursor position, screen position. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do window. Do we have any functions for? I guess we don't. Yeah. So ImGui set window. Oh, next window size. Okay. So I'm assuming this sets like the current window size. You said the worst job in the world. Wait, window pointer. Yeah, damn. I suppose so. Like, I don't know the whole context or anything. Size, let's see. Window pointer. But it must suck working for, how do I say? Complaints department in a lot of places, to be honest. Is not uncommon for it to be delayed for 25. What days? Oh my. Yeah, that's rough. I don't know, man. Let's do 100. Okay, we'll do ImVec 2. 100. 100.0f and 100.0f. And the condition is 0. Okay, so let's try that. And then I'm just gonna change it until it's like a decent value, I guess. Yeah, no, that's wild. 25 days as well. I don't know. Is that going like across the country or like to like a different country? Or is that just like from one city to another? How does that happen? 25 days? I don't know. Yeah, that's wild. I don't know. Wait, it didn't. Okay, because I'm assuming 100 by 100. I just threw out a number, so it shouldn't be exactly the same. Let me try something. Maybe there's a setting I can put, like a window. Probably it's probably in the flags for this thing, honestly. It has close button hidden. Item with defaults, memory, move, parent window, root window, scroll bar, size. Wait, what? Okay, maybe there's a function I can use. That's window. Viewports. I'm trying to find a function that, because I'm assuming it's recalculating the size of the window based on the widgets, but there's probably a flag where it can just, I can set it manually. Has size constraints. And I might have to set that early before I draw the window, maybe? I don't know. I think I do this somewhere else as well, so maybe I should check it. Oh wait, actually, okay, no. I think I know what to do instead of editing it directly here. I can do this outside of the color picker really quick. I'm trying to think of, is there a place where I do this type of thing? Where's sensor GGP? Let's see. I mean, do you have to use it often? Like the trains and everything? Or do you like work from home for your job? Oh, I got you. Is it a close drive or how far is it? I mean, not drive. I'm thinking cars, but is it a close commute? Or like how long and like how much time does it take for you to get there? Because I'm assuming by train you can, just depends on how you like, if it's like within the city or whatever. If you take the bus, that's a long time. Yeah. Okay, an hour and 10 minutes, yeah. Well, at least if you have public transportation, you can, I mean, I don't know. So I used to have around that commute when I used to go to school, before I got my car too, and like, and I think I had to, even after I got my car, I had to take the bus or use it. Yeah, I had to use the train a little bit. And yeah, it's about an hour, but it was nice because I had some time to like work on like school while I was going. I always like that. Yeah, and public transportation is like much worse for women than it is for like men. Because yeah, I've had my sisters had to go on buses and trains and whatnot, and he tells me the horror stories. But usually for me, I mean, there's crazy stuff going on, but like people don't really bother me. I just mind my own business. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things going on in the past, like a lot of variations of life going on, you know. Yeah, I don't know. There are creeps in every age, unfortunately. Okay, so I think I still haven't thought of an example where I set the size of the window. Let me go to my editor UI. Maybe I have something like that. So editor UI, or yeah, editor UI service. And go over here, take a look. And I think I have some like state functions somewhere here. Bring window to front, bring current window to front, clear window focus. Is current window visible? Highlight focused window. I don't know, it's gotta be like a set balance, right? Somewhere here. Okay, how about this? Set window size. There it is. Set next to window size. A generic pop-up, and then in this pop-up I set the generic window size to this, right? So let's take this and then we'll try that with the pop-up. Okay, let's head back. Let's go ahead and check really quick. So color picker, this is called somewhere, right? So let's go to testing panel really quick on editor, and then we'll go to you'll have 10 million subs and play Minecraft. Yeah, there's a whole era of that, which I think is still going on, to be honest. They've just moved on to different things. I mean, Minecraft is still huge now, right? It's massive. I think it's always gonna be massive in its own thing, to be honest. You'll have the weirdos come with it. Wait, but then they get money? I don't know. We'll get one of them. Will be crazy. Is that one of the banned terms nowadays? That's it. Oh my. Let's see, get current window. Okay, so do that one. Open pop-up on left click, on item click. Where do I call this again? I was there before. Picker, there it is. Okay, yeah, there you go. Is that a thing? It's a thing. That's the next item. Okay, I'm assuming this is this value changed with this. Okay. So let's just try like, we'll calm this out for a second, put 100, I guess. Because yeah, I mean, the width is what I'm worrying about, so. We'll go with 100 for now. Okay, yeah, I'm not aware of that meme. That's wild. Let's see. All right. Okay, so it says it sets the width, and then this like scales to the width, huh? Oh, okay. Sure, I guess. Yeah. UI frameworks. I think, what's his name? The one guy, I think he wrote his own UI framework and then just uses that. I'm kind of tempted, but ImGui provides a lot of stuff for you that's really good, and there's a lot of good extensions, so I'm inclined to just stick with it. Should I just deal with it, just leave it the way it is and just call it a day? I don't know. I guess I'm being overly perfectionist. Square easy. For brain collapses? Well, yeah, it's pretty late for you, right? Well, look at that. I hope you can get your rest, man. Yeah, I know you said it was tough, but still. Oh, 1:30. Gotcha. Wait, 0. No, 12:30. Oh, so late DJ vibes. Talk to you later. Yeah, you never know. You never know. Let's see. But yeah, talk to you later. Do I leave this? I don't know. Do I leave this? I don't know. Let me try and add something really quick. Okay, so let's get rid of this part. The value changed. Okay, let me just convert these values, sure. I guess I could just use those ImGui functions for converting. I'd rather write my own, to be honest. Just copy and paste and modify it a bit. I don't know. An original pop-up, right? Okay. RGB. Okay. And then where do we draw this stuff? Here. Render. Half a pixel arc length. So triangle, rotate according to hue. Okay. Okay, really quick, let me see which one of these is being called. Because this isn't else if, so it's gonna be one or the other. Okay, he's doing the second one. Okay, there we go. Oh, hey, yo, Shadow Man. How's it going? Yeah, today's a bit of a quieter stream, so yeah, chilling too. Yeah. Just vibing, feel it. Yeah, I'm just working on like ImGui stuff right now. I'm just trying to add a color picker to my like RGBA edit Vec4 stuff, and I'm just kind of wrestling with the ImGui code right now. SDL or SFML. So the windowing is GLFW. The rendering I just do OpenGL. So I forget which one of those. Which one of those is it? SFML? Is that the one that lets you just render directly? Yeah, let me see. SDL. SDL is the other windowing library, right? I always forget. SDL library. Yeah, a simple direct media layer. I remember this one. Wait, let me see if I can copy this and bring it over here. Yeah, let's try that. That's good. That's so sick that Baroni used this though. I didn't know they had a custom engine, and then I remember I found out. I was like, sick, dude. Yeah, and then you can just use OpenGL. They provide basically GLFW, but it's different. Right? SDL can do audio too, and actually has a renderer. Oh, it has its own renderer. Okay, sure. This is written C with bindings. Oh, and they have bindings for C# and Python. Via OpenGL and direct. Okay, so you can specify like which rendering backend you want to use, I suppose. Wait, no, wait. Direct 3D isn't a. What am I talking about? It's just OpenGL. My mind, man. And then you said I've seen SFML everywhere. Let me see. Yeah, simple, fast, multimedia library. And this one has set up for. Well, I think GLFW has that too for iOS and Android. But I think some of their stuff's a little bit more limited. SFML has official bindings. Systems graphic. Oh, and they have an audio and network library too. So, still has backend support. It can do Vulkan and stuff, but you kind of have to hook up the renderer yourself. Got you. Using explicitly SMOs like the. For sure. Yeah, I mean, I mainly want to do like the rendering myself. So, what was it? I kind of just went. Like, I mean, I originally just went through Learn Up in GL. I was like, alright, take me through it, you know? So, I didn't put too much thought into it after that. So. But maybe I should. I don't know. If my requirements change. My main focus for my engine, I don't want. Like, the games that I I envision making are mainly desktop only. So like Windows, Linux, Mac, and then maybe like mscripten for like web bindings, but that's it. I don't really have any plans for console or what's the other one? Like phones or whatever. Let's see. But yeah, let me see. Yeah, I've been kind of stuck on this code for like a bit, so it's a little embarrassing. Not gonna lie. Okay, wait, we're at the hue bar. I'm being kind of over perfectionist, but you know, whatever. I don't know. Once I get this working, it'll work throughout the engine because I use color pickers pretty often. So. Where is this? Testing window. Okay, here it is. So yeah, so I'm just testing this thing. I don't like this pop up either. I might get rid of it. But yeah, I just wanted to pop up the basic one. And I don't know, it's like off. I don't. That's so annoying. Just line up, please. Gotta be some way I can fix this. Render SV square. Ooh, my voice is squeaking like crazy, so I apologize in advance. Yeah, I mean, if I were to like get my own like pets or whatever, yeah, definitely cats, yeah. Even though I like dogs, but how do I say? Cats are just chill, you know, you just let them be. They do their own thing. I mean, they care about you, but they also kind of don't. So I kind of prefer that. Dogs, I feel like if I'm not actively like hanging out with them, like they get really sad and I start feeling bad. Let's see. Add rect filled things. What about you? You a dog person or a cat person? I got like both dogs and cats, so yeah. Add a rect filled multicolor. Okay, let me try to understand this. So this is the hue bar, right? So I'm assuming this is the part that's messing up my like alignment. So for int I, add filled multicolor. Are they being locked on top of each other or something? What's going on with this? Add rect filled, render hue bar, and render SV square. Render frame border. What is this? I'm round. Oh, it's just a macro for the thing. Okay, sure. So you just get the value out. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I mean, that's good. Get some compile time stuff going on. Those are still runtime values, though. Render frame border, huh? Wait, how's this rendered? Are these labeled? Hold on. P-min, P-max, huh? P-min, P-max. Plus width. Okay. What if I just do like minus like 5 or something? I mean, I know this is probably, you want to do like a percentage change or something, but let me just see what that does. James Game Maker said 95. 95. Wait, I'm gonna be right back. I'm getting a call. Okay, I am back. I am going to end the stream early. I know it's not like my long streams like I normally do, but gotta go outside and touch grass for a bit and go. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Well, I'll be back on Monday, but I might stream on the weekend. It just depends what's up with my work. Yes, let me go ahead and push. I didn't do much, I'm gonna be honest. I've just been kind of messing around with the ImGui stuff, so let's see. Test adding a new color picker button for edit vector in ImGui widgets.cpp and testing panel. That's about it. Okay, I'll go ahead and push that in a second. I don't think I made any changes to the Pong project, so that's about it. Hopefully, I guess maybe next time, I'll see if I can finish up. So yeah, I just gotta finish up adding color picker. This might take me a while. I don't know how long it takes because dealing with ImGui code's kind of yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but adding the emitter script should be pretty fast. I already know how to do that. So next time, if I finish this, I should be able to run through this real quick, and then I'll be done with particles. So that'll be good. Let me make sure there's anything else. Harvest board is about the same. Again, next stream should be on Monday. That's on my schedule. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, Mickey and Shadowman, thanks. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night. And if you're on YouTube watching this, hope you have a good day or night. See you in the next video. And yeah, that's about it. Later.